In today's video, I will teach you how to make a double exposure using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit in Photoshop. Now, in the menu bar, click on the Select tab and select Subject. Once you've selected the subject, create a new mask by clicking on the Add Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Create a new fill or adjustment layer and select Solid Color. Here, you can use which color your background is going to be. Now, drag the new adjustment layer below the subject layer, and once you're satisfied, you can now add the image that you would like to blend in with your subject. Once you've opened the second image in Photoshop, make sure to place it on top of the subject layer. Now, select the blending option that suits you, but I highly recommend using Screen. Once you're satisfied with the blending mode, go ahead and clip the second image's layer to the subject layer by holding down the Alt button on your keyboard and clicking on the line in between the layers. Now, create a new fill or adjustment layer and select Levels. Then clip the adjustment layer to the second layer. In the Levels panel, you can adjust the settings depending on how you would like your image to look like. You can now stop here if you're satisfied with how your photo looks, but if you would like to add some spice, you can go ahead and add textures to the image and also adjust the opacity of the texture to your liking. Now you have created a double exposure in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.